Check out this African Spurred Tortoise munching on some hay. Boom, dude. That thing's just chowing down. John Villarreal for Conservative Media. I'm here at Lion Country Safari in Florida. Absolutely incredible. These things are really cool. I mean, look at the... Wow, that thing's just munching out, dude. Look at the scales on its feet. Incredible. And you see that distinctive shell. That's really like just the rings around those shells there. Little spikes there. Or spurs, whatever you want to call them. Definitely like little ridges, if you will. And that thing is just chowing down and having a good time. Incredible creatures. These are very, very large tortoises. One of the largest in the world. Fascinating.